What's the deal, everybody? It's JT back with a new video, man. In today's video, I want to show y'all how you can make money during the quarantine lockdown, the COVID-19, whatever you want to call it. Right now is actually a good time to take advantage of CPA and affiliate marketing and making money online because everybody trapped in the house and they need ways to make money. So here's a creative way that I just thought of. Because right now, if you inside of Max Bounty, they got a lot of coronavirus offers they just added into the network. A lot of those convert better than others, but I've seen what's working right now is like the face mask type of campaigns, how to survive a pandemic, ebook guide pays out $45 per lead. This one pays out $16 per lead. Here goes another mask you could promote. Let me see, they got hand sanitizer or light sanitizer, or whatever that sprays the room. They got some Trump offers right now. Let's see. This is another one that you can promote. Let's open this in a new tab. This is my first time actually seeing this one. I want to see the EPC on this offer. 36 cents. So this probably be an offer you can promote. Virus defense. Let's see. Total home and family virus defense. Pure herbal total defense is a complete virus and illness oil blend that cleans, disinfects services. So yeah, so this might be a nice offer to promote as well. Let me see. And you already approved for it, so you don't have to fill out an application to promote it. EPC at 36 cents, and you can promote it with search traffic. Because if you've been following my channel for the last couple of months, you know I've been mainly promoting with Bing ads. So search traffic, if it allows it, that's perfect. Let's see, they got another mask that they just added into here. Another oil for virus defense. And this is the one right here. I opened this one in a new tab. I'm going to show y'all basically how you can set up a campaign using Bing ads and make money with CPA marketing during all this crazy stuff. This offer pays off $16 per lead, and it converts when they complete a survey. And for $16, they allow search traffic. You can get 16 actions per day. Basically, you can make $160 per day with this offer until they prove the quality of your traffic. Then they can bump it up to 50 actions per day, 100 actions per day, however they want to do it. They offer, see the countries: Australia, Austria, United States. But if I was setting it up on Bing ads, I'd probably just target United States, just starting out. It's mobile optimized with an EPC of 40 cents, so it's definitely an offer that I would promote. And any offer that I would promote, I always check out the landing page just to see what it looks like. United States big coronavirus COVID-19 outbreak survey and answer the following questions and help us keep a safe and healthy country during the coronavirus outbreak. Blah blah blah. Answer the survey, you could receive a $500 Amazon gift card. So that'll be my angle when I'm setting it up over on Bing ads. Because like I said, right now, coronavirus is like one of the top, I think it's probably top 5 or top 3 most searched things right now on the internet. So if you set up an ad to promote an affiliate offer, this could be the time where you can take advantage of profits right now. So for instance, if we was taking this offer, virus outbreak survey, we could set this up over on Bing. I actually want to see if anybody's running any Bing coronavirus related offers. So coronavirus, let's see. I want to see if anybody running an ad targeted towards coronavirus. Let me see. I don't see no ads at the top or the bottom. So let me see. Coronavirus treatment maybe. No ads still. You know it's an ad when you see an ad like, let me just show y'all, for example, weight loss. If I type in weight loss, you definitely gonna see some ads. Right here. So if you can see the ad right here, then you know it's an ad. So I'm trying to find somebody promoting, anybody promoting a coronavirus. Let me see. A mask, virus, mask, protection. Let me see. Somebody promoting that. I don't see no ads for that either. That's weird. Let's see. Best mask for virus protection. So going back to Max Bounty, if you find one of those offers, where is it? Right here. Safe Breath, Oxy Breath Pro face mask, and you target keywords similar to this. This is what you call a buyer's keyword. Somebody that's interested in buying right away, type in something like this. Best mask for virus protection. If you go to related searches, best virus protection face mask, best rated virus face mask, best medical mask. Any keywords related to that, that's your most targeted buyers. These are the type of keywords you want to make a list of probably 10 to 30 different keywords similar to this. if you was gonna promote an e-com offer like the safe mask right here. Let me see if you can be approved, or do you have to submit an application? Oh, you already approved. So if you want to promote this, you could. The only bad part about it is the network EPC is 1 cent. Being that the offer just came into the network, maybe that's why it might convert. Let me check out the landing page, see what they're talking about. You can see it sending them straight to basically like a VSL slash checkout where they can come in and get this and get a flashlight for free. Oh wait, is this even the? That's probably why it's not. That's probably why the EPC is terrible. They sent them to the wrong landing page. You're supposed to be getting a face mask, not a flashlight. Let me see if I grab my tracking link. Would it be different? Search raw link, copy, paste in my actual affiliate link. Let's see where it takes us. Okay, it takes us to the mask. Oh yes, okay. This is a little bit better, but me personally, I'd rather send them to a pre-sale page and then a page like this, because sending them straight to basically a checkout, they don't even know what the product is, customer testimonials and all that stuff, a good breakdown of it. I probably wouldn't buy it myself, which probably demonstrates the 1 cent EPC across the network. But that could be because it's a brand new offering to the network. They just added it within the last week or so. So yeah, that could be an offer you want to promote. But what I'm gonna do is just show y'all an example of how I promote this outbreak survey over on Bing Ads, setting up a direct link campaign. You can set up a direct link campaign if they allow search. So we pretty much good to go on this. I can see there's nobody promoting any coronavirus offers right now. I don't know why, but this is definitely a time to take advantage of it and make profit. Because I know a lot of y'all can use money for bills and stuff like that. That's not going away. So let me just show y'all how you can set up a direct link campaign over on Bing. And if you want to, get it more advanced with this, you can actually add in tracking, which I might, depending on how I'm feeling, I might add in tracking into this tutorial. I'll just show y'all a basic overview of it. But for example, if I wanted to promote this offer, I would just go to my Bing Ads account. So let me pull this up real quick. All right, so now I'm over in my Bing Ads account. What I do is click on create a campaign, visits to my website. Let's do a virus outbreak survey. We can name it that. So let me move this over here. Virus outbreak survey. Budget $25 per day. Countries, I'm gonna just do United States just for this tutorial. Search it, target, uncheck that, save and go to the next step. Now ad group name, you can just name this bulk or whatever, because all we're gonna do is just enter a bunch of keywords related to coronavirus. So let's see, coronavirus. Let me open this in a new tab. I already opened it. Let me see. United States. Right now I'm just doing some keyword research. So what I'm about to do is take a look at this landing page for a second, see what type of keywords I want to target and come up with related searches for us. So let me see. Coronavirus outbreak tips, maybe. Let me see. Coronavirus outbreak. You know what? Coronavirus tips. I might want to start from there. The good thing about related searches, all you need is one broad keyword to pull up the rest of the related searches. So if I go to the bottom of the page, boom, there you go. What I do is just copy all of these related searches and import them into Bing. So let me paste that one in here, coronavirus tips. Copy the rest of these. Coronavirus safety tips, coronavirus protection tips, coronavirus CDC travel. I don't even know what this is, so I'm going to delete it. I don't know what CDC is. How to prep for coronavirus. See if Bing can give me some keyword suggestions. Search. Just for demonstration, I can probably target just these keywords. Coronavirus tips. How to prevent coronavirus. Start from there. Copy that keyword group. Paste that. Go down to the end. There we go. Another group of related searches. What I do is probably just do this a few times. Probably put together like 3 to 5 different broad searches and then copy all the related searches and put it inside of my keyword list. How not to catch the coronavirus. Blah, blah, blah. CDC. So I'm guessing CDC got something to do with it. So I'm going to just leave that there. But now we got that out the way, we can go to save and go to the next step. Next step is just ad creation, and from there you pretty much done. From there you'll just be setting up the budget and the bids for the keywords, and yeah, that's pretty much that. Final URL will be this link right here. So let me copy that, paste it. Title part 1. We go back here. Let's see. Coronavirus outbreak survey. You know what? Since they telling them they can get a $500 Amazon gift card, I'm gonna leave with that. So yeah, let's do that. $500 Amazon gift card. Coronavirus outbreak survey. Get paid today. $500 Amazon gift card, coronavirus outbreak survey, get paid today. Going back to the landing page. Answer the following questions. Let me see what they put. Answer the following questions and help us keep a safe and healthy country during the coronavirus outbreak. So they say we exceeded by 17 characters. So maybe if I took this and put it inside the ad text too, it'd be good. Okay, boom. Let's save this part, paste it inside of here. Would it exceed questions and help keep us safe? All right, so this is a sample ad copy. This is probably one I wouldn't use exactly, but just show y'all how to set it up real quick. And then right here, you can throw in a tracking template if you wanted to. That's if you decided to track your keywords and which ads are getting you the conversions, which I highly recommend, especially if you plan on running this campaign for quite some time. You want to know which keywords and which ads is getting you the sale. Otherwise, you're kind of just wasting money down the drain on stuff that's just not converting for you. So I definitely recommend you throwing in some tracking. And if you did, just show y'all real quick. Build tracking link, search raw link. Copy this, you just come over to ClickMagick. That's what I use. I'll leave a link down below if y'all want to use ClickMagick as well. So I can name this Corona. Name the link Corona as well. Paste in my affiliate link. And what you want to do is add, where's that button? And S2 equals bracket click ID. And you should be good to go. So wait, let me see. Oh, and S2 equals click ID. I thought that's what I did. Let me see. Oh, I didn't put the equal sign. Okay. Equals click ID. It should work. Boom. There you go. So Corona. We need to find that link right here. See the Corona link. I always like to open my links in a new tab to make sure it's working properly. As you can see, it goes straight to the offer page. Now we can go copy this link and put it inside our tracking template over on Bing. Another thing you can do is add in the Bing tokens keyword, and let's do ad ID so we can know which keyword and which ad got us the sale. But for this example, I'm only doing one ad, so I really didn't need to add this part. So let me delete that. And I just really want to know which keyword get us the sale. So from here, you can just click on save. And like I said, if you have more ad copies you want to test out, click on save and create another. But from here, I just click on save. Save and go to the next step. Now, from what they telling us, that we'll probably only get one click from the keywords that we set up. Now, a lot of times they just be, they estimates be wrong, but sometimes they be right. If you're not comfortable with the estimated monthly clicks, impressions, and your spend, you can always go back to your ad groups and keywords and just put in more keywords. So let me see, Corona. Let me see if that make a difference. Coronavirus, save. Okay, so it didn't update because there's a lot of people searching for coronavirus. That's why I don't believe this. Estimated monthly impressions, because coronavirus right now is probably the number one. I just said top 3 just to be, modest, but I feel like coronavirus right now is probably the number one most searched thing on the internet. So you will definitely get more impressions, more clicks, and things like that. Sometimes it's just wrong. It's just the internet. Ad distribution, I just do owned and operated. And from there, I'll just click on Save Campaign, and within 24 hours, it should start running, stuff like that. But hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Just to give y'all a quick recap, if you're inside of Max Bounty, they got a lot of COVID-19 virus offers right now, safe masks, what's it called, hand sanitizer type of offers right now that you can promote during this outbreak, and you can profit from. So if you're stuck in a house, you need a way to make a couple dollars per day. You know, you want to make $50 to $100 per day. You could definitely promote offers similar to this over on Bing Ads. Set up some simple direct link campaigns, kind of like how I showed y'all right here. Very easy to do. You can set this up in 5 or 10 minutes and be making some money within the next day or so. Because I know the coronavirus stuff is probably gonna last a few more months before it kind of dies down. Everything goes back to normal. But yeah, man, like I said, if y'all enjoyed this video, please leave a like, leave a comment down below if y'all have any questions, comments, or concerns. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. I post everything CPA, affiliate marketing, make money online, things like that. And if you want my advanced training, I will leave a link in the description below. I also got some advanced Bing training in here. Well, it's not too advanced. Everything I pretty much teach is simple, but I just go more in detail with it inside the elite course. I will leave links to everything in the description below. And I will see y'all in the next video.